Lockley Secure Pro Zeno Series Installation Guide. To complete this installation, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, tape measure, or ruler, optional screwdriver with 1-inch drill bit, and an optional hole saw. If you want to use a power tool to tighten the screws, make sure to set it to the lowest speed. Before you start, line up the screw with the thread. This will help avoid cross-threading, which can damage the screw hole. If you encounter any problems during installation, please visit support.lockley.com or call hotline 66-9500-8835 for help. To complete your setup, download the Lockley app from the App Store or Google Play. Register or log in to your account and follow on-screen instructions to complete setup. Preparation. Remove any existing lock set from the door. Prep the door if necessary. The cross bore hole must be 2 1/8 of an inch diameter. The edge bore hole must be 1 inch diameter. Measure and confirm your door thickness is between 1 3/8 of an inch to 2 inches. The back set should be 2 3/8 of an inch or 2 3/4 of an inch. If your door is thicker than 2 inches or 50 millimeters, you'll need to use the thick door accessories. Detailed instructions will be provided in Step 2. You might receive one of 2 versions of the product, one with the lock cylinder already installed, and one that needs the lock cylinder installed. Rest assured, both versions are of the same high quality and will not affect performance or usability. If you get the version with the lock cylinder already installed, you can skip this step. If you have the version that needs the lock cylinder installed, please do the following before installing the exterior assembly. Take out the lock cylinder, P1, and screw, P2, from the attachment box. Insert the lock cylinder into the cylinder hole of the exterior assembly. Tighten the cylinder screws clockwise with a screwdriver. Step 1. Deadbolt installation. Measure the back set. The deadbolt defaults to 2 3/8 of an inch. If the deadbolt slot is not aligned to the center of your door hole, adjust deadbolts to 2 3/4 of an inch back set. Extend the deadbolt by inserting a flathead screwdriver into the slot and turning clockwise. Hold the metal plate and twist the deadbolt body counter clockwise till it snaps to 2 3/4 of an inch. To return to default, hold the faceplate and twist the deadbolt body clockwise till it snaps to 2 3/8 of an inch. Insert the deadbolt into door edge hole. Make sure that the right side is up and the slot is in the vertical position. Secure with 2 A1 screws. Step 2. Installing lock exterior. If your door is between 2 inches and 3 1/8 of an inch thick, please use the thick door accessories included. You can watch the installation video by scanning the QR code. If you have any problems, call our hotline at 66-950-8835 or email support@lockley.com. If your door is between 3 1/8 of an inch and 4 3/4 of an inch thick, please contact customer service to buy the thick door accessories. You can watch the installation video by scanning the QR code. If you have any issues, call our hotline at 66-950-8835 or email support@lockley.com. Ensure the torque blade is vertical up and down with the deadbolt extended. Note: do not insert a key. Place assembly and torque blade through the deadbolt slot and guide connection cables through the cross bore hole under the deadbolt. Align and secure until flush to exterior door surface. Step 3. Installing interior mount plate. Align and secure mounting plate. Guide connection cables through the hole and secure to the lower notched hole. Select D1 or D2 or D3 screws based on the door thickness. Insert and tighten 2D screws on the left and right sides of the blade by hand. Check the alignment and insert screws through the circular holes on both sides of the deadbolt torque blade, aligning them with the screw holes on the exterior assembly. Ensure that the screws do not compress or damage the cable. Tightening the screws halfway with the Phillips screwdriver. Use the key to ensure deadbolt locks and unlocks smoothly. If there is a problem or the key cannot be turned, please check whether the above installation steps are correct and adjust the mounting plate for misalignment. When finished, leave the deadbolt extended and remove the key before proceeding to the next step. Step 4. Installing interior of lock. Remove the battery cover from interior assembly before installation. Before installing the interior assembly, choose the option that best suits your needs to adjust the wired door sensor cable outlet direction. With interior assembly E, connect cable ends to their matching counterparts. Insert the connecting antenna connector into the card slot. Before placing the interior assembly onto the mounting plate, ensure the thumb turn is vertical. Align torque blade with thumb turn shaft. Make sure both are in the vertical position. Insert the connector and excess wire into door hole. Tighten the screws to secure the mounting plate. After that, install the interior assembly on it. Secure to the mounting plate with screws F. Step 5. Install battery and perform self-check. With door open and deadbolt fully extended, and insert 4 batteries. After all batteries are installed, press and hold the program button for 4 seconds. The lock will automatically start self-check. Release program button once self-check starts. The self-check process determines right or left swinging door and is very important to ensure correct installation. Once self-check completes, ensure the lock operates smoothly by manually locking and unlocking the door using the thumb turn on the interior assembly. The deadbolt should operate smoothly. If necessary, repeat step 2. Make sure the torque blade is inserted straight up, while the deadbolt is extended. The device will exit Bluetooth pairing mode if it remains idle for 10 minutes. To re-enter pairing mode after the self-check, restart the lock or press the program button and select BL on the touch screen. Then add the device using either the Apple Home app or the Lockly Home app. Slide the battery cover H with a gentle force to secure battery. Step 6. Installing door frame strike plate. Select strike plate O or L according to door frame size. There is also an optional strike reinforcer plate N that can only be used with the L strike plate. If you need to install strike reinforcement N, you may need to increase the depth of the groove to fit into the door frame. Make sure the gap of the door and door frame is less than 5 millimeters. Secure the strike reinforcement N with 2 M screws, and then secure strike plate L with 2 A1 screws. Step 7. Installing the door sensor. Door sensors provide real-time door condition status, such as verifying if the door is securely closed. It also sends push notifications to your phone whenever your door opens and enables voice control with Siri, Amazon Alexa, or Google Assistant. Make sure you install the door sensor indoors on a clean and dry surface. Keep the door sensor away from direct sunlight, high heat locations, and large metal objects that may interfere with wireless signals. Use adhesive foam pads to adjust the door wired sensor's height if needed. If your door backset is 2 3/4 of an inch 70 millimeters, no adjustments to the foam pad are needed. Trim the tab from sensor if your door backset is 2 3/8 of an inch 60 millimeters. Remove the film from the adhesive, attach and secure it close to the door edge. Manually retract the deadbolt and close the door. Align sensor magnet to the door frame. Once the sensors are as level as possible, Remove the film from the adhesive and install with the arrows aligned to each other, ensuring there is less than a 3/4 of an inch gap.